Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Car CD Adapter is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories for music lovers who still cherish their CD collection or simply want a reliable way to play audio in their vehicles without relying solely on Bluetooth or other digital connections. This handy device bridges the gap between older technology and modern car stereos, offering a convenient and often surprisingly high-quality audio experience. In this video, we will explore what makes a great car CD adapter, helping you choose the perfect one to fit your needs and budget. Number 5. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth Transmitter. Get ready to experience the future of in-car audio. This Bluetooth transmitter offers seamless connectivity and superior sound quality for all your entertainment needs. It features a crystal clear 1.44-inch display. See your phone calls, FM channels, music, and even your car's battery voltage at a glance. Its flexible gooseneck allows for easy adjustment of the viewing angle. Find the perfect position for optimal viewing comfort. Enjoy crystal clear audio with its advanced noise cancellation technology. It filters out road noise, ensuring crisp sound for calls and music. It boasts Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable and fast connection. Experience uninterrupted music streaming in calls. Answer, reject, hang up, or recall calls with a single button. Drive safely while staying connected. It's compatible with virtually any device, from iPhones and Androids to MP3 players. Connect via Bluetooth, TF card, or AUX cable. What we like. It features a convenient display screen showing crucial information, and has an adjustable gooseneck for optimal viewing. Its Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a stable and fast connection. If you value a clear, easy-to-use interface and reliable connectivity, this is the adapter for you. What people say. Still works like it's brand new. The setup was easy, connection is not difficult, looks cool and lights up blue, the quality is good. Super easy to understand, great sound quality, and it pairs instantly every time I turn the car on. No issues at all. Having the DC plug built in and having a USB charging port built in is very convenient. The Bluetooth connection on this works really well. It pairs with my phone quickly and the connection is pretty stable. The screen is easy to read, the volume dial works well. Number 4. ARSVITA Car Audio Cassette Adapter. Do you love listening to music in your vintage car? This cassette adapter lets you connect your phone or other device to your car's tape player, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes without replacing your car stereo. It's the perfect solution for keeping your classic car's original features. It features a secure connection, dual shielding, and gold-plated plugs to minimize signal loss and ensure you get high-quality stereo audio. Enjoy crystal clear sound wherever you go. With its 24K gold-plated connectors, pure silver wire core, and durable metal shell, it's built to last. It's compatible with almost any device with a standard 3.5mm audio jack. It's designed to withstand daily use, with a tested lifespan of 15,000 plus bends and 10,000 plugs. The premium metallic housing gives it a stylish look that complements your other gadgets. You'll receive one cassette to auxiliary adapter, a 3.5mm audio cord, a product manual, and a customer service card. We offer a 16-month replacement guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This adapter delivers high-quality sound with minimal signal loss, and boasts a stylish and durable design. It's a perfect fit for vintage car enthusiasts. If you prioritize audio fidelity and a classic aesthetic, this is the one for you. What people say. It was so easy to install because you use it as an AUX cord and sounds great in the car. It's not static Wi, but you may hear a faint buzzing sound, but it's just the cassette spinning. You cannot hear it while driving because the road noise, it's that faint. The ARSVITA cassette adapter's intelligent step-down design, dual shielding, polished metal molding, and gold-plated plugs ensure reliable performance and minimal signal loss. Users can enjoy high-quality stereo audio, immersing themselves in their favorite tunes without sacrificing sound fidelity. The cassette spinning is noisy but not noticeable when playing music. The audio itself is perfectly clear and delivers all the lows and highs. Number 3. Kinivo BTC450 Car Kit. Experience seamless hands-free calling and music streaming in your car with the Kinivo BTC450 Bluetooth Car Kit. It's compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled smartphones and offers superior audio quality. Answer and receive calls effortlessly with its built-in microphone. Keep your focus on the road and your hands on the wheel. Enjoy CD-quality audio streaming from your favorite music apps. It supports aptX for the best possible listening experience. It's simple to set up and use. Just plug it into your car's 3.5mm AUX input and connect via Bluetooth. It provides crystal clear audio for both calls and music, thanks to its advanced technology and built-in noise isolator. It eliminates annoying car noises for a cleaner, more enjoyable listening experience. Say goodbye to distracting static and interference. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime US-based customer support, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. It offers crystal clear hands-free calling and seamless music streaming with aptX for CD-quality audio. It also features a ground loop noise isolator for a cleaner sound. If you need a reliable hands-free kit with superior audio, this is a great choice. What people say. The device does indeed turn on when the car starts and remains on. So far, it hasn't fallen asleep during periods of inactivity. As long as my phone already has Bluetooth enabled, turning on my car will turn the BTC450 on and automatically find and connect with my phone. I had some reservations about Bluetooth 2.1 Plus EDR having enough speed bandwidth to stream quality audio, and it was a huge relief to find that all my music and phone calls sound great. Number 2. Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter. It features a trendy rainbow light design that you can easily turn off with a double press. Enjoy the captivating ambience or keep it simple, the choice is yours. It boasts the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology for a faster, more stable connection with less sound quality loss. Pairing is quick and easy, taking only 1 second. It has 2 USB ports that can charge 2 devices simultaneously. Safety features like overcurrent and overvoltage protection ensure safe and reliable charging. Enjoy amazing hands-free calling with noise suppression and echo cancellation. It supports both Bluetooth and USB connections for your music. With a simple button press, it delivers powerful deep bass and immersive stereo sound. Experience high-fidelity audio that will elevate your music enjoyment. We're committed to your satisfaction. If it doesn't fit your car or doesn't work, contact us for a solution. We offer a 36-month warranty and lifetime support. What we like. This adapter utilizes the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology for a faster, more stable connection, and offers fast charging for your devices. It also features a customizable ambient light. If you want the latest technology and convenient features, this is perfect for you. What people say. The setup was quick and easy, and now my husband can seamlessly listen to his favorite podcasts and make hands-free phone calls while driving. The call quality is clear, and the music sounds good for an FM transmitter. One of the standout features is the fast charging capability. This has been awesome. Before my current car I had a 2016 Chevy Malibu before my coworker crashed it. This functions even better than my old Chevy's Bluetooth. Instantly connects with no issues. My music seamlessly goes from headphones to car as I turn my car on. This device actually worked as advertised. Setup was easy, plugged into the 12-volt accessory outlet in my 2005 4Runner. Fit was secure, started the car and the Syncwire tuned to the low-frequency station where I had preset my FM radio, 88.1. Sound quality was crystal clear. I had total access to control the volume from my car's volume controls. Phone call really clear on both ends. Number 1. KLIM Discman CD Player. Experience crystal clear CD audio with the KLIM Discman. Pair it with our KLIM Fusion earbuds for an unparalleled listening experience. Enjoy superior sound quality wherever you go. It features cutting-edge anti-skip and anti-shock protection. Enjoy up to 100 seconds of uninterrupted music, even during intense activities. Enjoy hours of eco-friendly listening on a single charge. Its high-quality rechargeable battery minimizes waste and extends your playtime. This player is compatible with various formats, including CDs, CDR, CDRW, MP3, and WMA. It also plays music from TF cards, offering ultimate flexibility. It boasts a sleek, modern design and superior components built for durability. Your purchase is protected by our generous 5-year warranty. Your order includes the KLIM Discman, KLIM Fusion earbuds, accessories, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, a user manual, and a carrying pouch. What we like. It plays CDs and offers anti-skip protection for uninterrupted listening, plus a long-lasting battery. It also comes with headphones and other accessories. If you enjoy listening to CDs and want a portable, reliable option, this is ideal for you. What people say. Player plays CD very good with no hissing or other distractions. The headphones are quite good and I will actually use them. The most important thing of all is the volume level is excellent. I can play player outside with very little sound distraction. It also comes with a case. This CD player was a nice surprise. It has substantial weight, and feels good in the hand. The sound quality is excellent, and I really like the magnetic earbuds, which keeps them from getting tangled when not in use. The little rubber pads on the bottom keep it from sliding off whatever surface it's on. Function buttons are lighted and easy to understand. And no batteries. The sound is good with good headphones, it does not skip when moved, and it's pretty easy to learn the buttons. The EQ button switches from pop to rock to jazz to classical and or BBS. Just a click of a button changes the sound for the needed sound you want. Simple and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.